wait.
What is up, YouTube fam? It's your boy Joey coming back here giving another gosh dang video for you guys today. And I got my boy Chris Topher with me today.
How y'all doing?
What you dipping on today, Chris?
I'm dipping on some of that good old Grizzly Dark Select.
And I'm dipping on me some Grizzly Fine Cut. Now today, we got a special video for you
guys. Do you like
guys.
my penis I drew on your helmet?
Oh dude, I love that penis.
I drew a penis on his helmet.
I love penises. Wait, that's not what I'm doing.
Damn it, Joey. You done
Today,
fucked up again.
We are going to be screwing up this phone.
He done broke his phone again.
Yeah, well,
after the one he shot, he got this phone.
Yeah, I got the same exact phone, and I messed this phone up too. And now I have an iPhone 6. But this phone, I got mad and slammed it up against the wall, and I broke just the microphone inside and the charger hole.
Yeah.
So
we're gonna be fucking this phone up today.
Yeah. So we got a blowtorch and a big ass mallet.
That's gonna be the ending.
This is going to be the ending result of this phone if we can't fuck it up.
I say we take this chain and whack it.
I don't know, dude. We got so much shit in here we can do whatever.
There's so much shit we can fuck it up with.
Yeah. Hey,
I say.
But guess what? Safety first.
Safety first.
Yeah, I gotta get my glasses.
Wait, I already had glasses on there.
Oh shit, you do, don't you?
I need these to see.
I got two pairs, so.
But these,
oh fuck, these ones are screwed.
With these, I can't see. With these, I can. That's the thing.
Okay, well we're good then. Hell, safety first then.
Yeah, I already have my safety.
Oh shit, first. Fuck that. We're hillbillies.
Yeah, fuck it.
Wait,
Alright, so what we starting out first? We're gonna start with the blowtorch.
Honestly,
I think we should save this for like one of the ending. Because we should do like 5 items, and these should be like the last 2. I say we try to weld it. See if we Alright, Bubby, what we done?
You recording?
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty, well, we're gonna take this blowtorch to the screen.
We gotta protect the dip.
And see what the hell happens to the screen. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready whenever you
are. What the fuck? Whoa! She's turning colors.
Where the phone's cold, Bubby.
I don't know if we're gonna get anywhere. Whoa!
Oh shit!
Whoa!
Is the battery out?
What?
Is the battery out?
Yeah, the battery's out of there. What in the hell?
Try it up here.
Whoa!
Oh, shit!
Hey, we got a fire, boys! Shit! Dude, that stinks!
Try to get up here.
Get up here? No, we gotta save that in for the mallet. Let's burn down here. Whoa! She's on fire.
Hey!
Hey!
You ain't ought to do that!
Yeah,
Genius is being done!
Over here. Ready?
Oh, fuck.
Alrighty. Technicality.
Woohoo!
Hey! Hey! Yeah!
Alright, damn it, that's enough.
Put it out! Put it out! Okay, well, okay. Okay.
Ooh, it smells like fuck. Ooh!
Hey, hold the camera steady now, damn it.
What?
Well, here's the results of that one. Get a big old close-up of that bitch.
What the fuck? There you go. Damn. I didn't think it'd do that.
Alrighty, now click off.
Fuck.
We're playing some redneck golf.
Are you started?
Yeah, I started.
Alright. We got some redneck golf going on. We got our old makeshift gig here. Now, if you stand over here, Joe, that'd be a whole lot better.
Stand where?
Right over here. Come on.
No, shit, I'm gonna stand right. Okay, that's a good idea, actually. I'll stand over there.
Alright.
Hurry, wait, let me get your whole body in there. Alrighty.
4. Oh,
you fucking missed, you idiot.
Hold on.
Hey, watch the power line.
Hold on. I got this. 4. Damn.
Hey, quit missing, boy. Oh, there you go. What did you do?
I shattered it.
Oh, shit. Wait, we did. Whoa, I think the heat tendered it up.
Ah!
Yeet.
I missed my steel toes.
Here, wait.
Well?
Yeah, well, she's kind of fucked. Whoa, look at how burned it is.
Oh, shit. Look like I kicked it in right there.
Feel it. Oh, I got glass on my finger.
Back is still just got fucking WD-40 all in it. Damn. What do you want to do now, bub?
Here, take this. Take the camera. Move your fingers all the way.
I'm sorry, damn it.
This bitch broken. Yeet!
I missed it. The tree was in the way.
I don't think it did. It didn't do shit. Oh, yeah, it did. And broke some more glass out of it.
Yeet.
Where went the button?
Wait, what?
Oh, shit! Look!
Did I get the button?
Dude!
I think it's mallet time.
I think it's mallet time,
let's
honestly.
get this mallet time.
Here, click off of that video. Oh. Click off the video.
Hey, you sexy bastard. I love you.
Hey, bud. What time is it?
I think it's 2:30, Bubby.
I don't know, son. I think it's mallet time.
Oh, fuck.
Hey, put the screen back in place. Well, the screen came out, so we got to put this back in place. But before we do any of that, we got to take a big old spit on it.
A big old spit.
Your turn. Yes, sir.
All right.
Ready?
Yep.
We're going to knock this screen back in place?
Yeah.
You think so?
I think it's a work.
Oh, okay. Well, it's going back in place. We just got to...
Yeah, you just got to get it, bub.
Oh, almost. It's almost back in place.
Oh, shit. No, look. You split the screen. Look.
No, it's almost back in place. We got this.
Fuck.
We got this. Oh, wait. It's almost back in place, actually. It's getting closer, to be honest. Here, we got to line this back up. One more big old whack. Shit, I'm going to break the road. Oh, wait. Fuck. The screen's coming apart. I don't know if it's going to work, to be honest.
Well, here, I got an idea. You just take this real quick for me, all right?
I'll take that big old.
You take that? All right.
Yeah.
Got an idea now.
Mm-hmm.
I ain't saying it's going to work, but I think it might. Right. Let's take this over here so I can sissy kick it right in the fucking gizzard.
Sissy kick it right in the fucking gizzard.
Sissy kick it right in the gizzard and fucking
Gotcha.
curb stomp its ass right in the fucking camel tail.
Gotcha.
All right. Now, this is my idea, okay? Now see, whenever you hit this, it's all going one place, but if you have a flat surface, it's going to spread all the shockwaves evenly. Motherfucker, you need to learn how to slow down.
He's only going 2 miles an hour.
Right. Now see, whenever I hit this, it's going to knock me back in place because all the shock's going to go in one fucking area.
Yeah?
See?
Oh, fuck.
Ow.
What'd you do, break your damn hand? Wait, I missed it. I gotta get back here. Beat the fuck out of it. It done raped you.
Fuck, I missed.
How'd you miss that?
Your phone might be a little bit cracked.
Dude, no, it's perfect, dude. Hey, I wonder if the warranty covers this. Honestly, I think it might.
Well, fuck it.
Hey,
I give up.
Bad News Headquarters representing. Gang.
Represent.
Gang. Hey, why'd you throw different on damn time? Yeah, wipe that off, you little cunt.
Hey. I see you.
Well, boys, we're going to try weld her back together since that didn't work too well. I think we'll get her back together, to be honest. That ain't going to be too hard, to be honest, but...
I don't even know the way it goes back.
It's fine, shit. We'll just weld the shit out of it.
Wait, you forgot a piece.
Oh, fuck, we did, didn't we?
Yeah, and then you forgot this piece.
Hell, we got to put that underneath the clamp. Hey, we're going to weld the shit out of this bitch.
Be like some fucking King Batch videos.
Oh, yes, sir.
Fucking flick of the wrist and it's fucking perfect.
Oh, wait, hey, safety first. You got to put your damn gloves on.
Wait, hey, can you like put your welding helmet down for me?
Yeah, 1 second. There's no penis on there.
Oh, damn. Professor Penis.
Hey, son. Hey, You crank this bitch up maximum penetration and crank her all the way up to 10. That way, you know it's spitting out enough fucking flux core, son. You gonna weld the shit out of this bitch. You know what?
Alright, I'm good.
Alrighty, we gonna weld the fuck out of this. Ready?
Yep.
Oh shit. Well, I don't know about all this.
Oh,
yes.
damn.
Oh yes. Oh yes. It'll be back together in no time. Here, give me. Oh shit, we're fucking spitting out some shit. One second, we're gonna weld the fuck out of this one. Hey, I think it might be back together.
Nice. Oh shit, your mom's here.
Oh shit, she's here.
Yeah, she's right.
I think it worked.
New phone, who it is? Well, we gotta say, Joey.
It worked, dude. It's back together.
Is it really? Oh shit.
Yeah, look, all the pieces are back together.
Hey, can I call my mom real quick?
Maybe.
Let me see. Actually, I don't want to do that because it might be hot.
Here, I'll hold it up to your ear.
Alright, here we go. Nope, it's just going beep, 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 beep.
Really? No phone, who it is?